Hi guys, welcome to another episode of my YouTube lesson. In today's video, we are going to be looking at the real and apparent depth problem that are related to also the lateral displacement. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, please kindly help me to subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to know when I post another video. So I have a question here. An object is placed directly below a glass block of thickness 3 centimeter. So the thickness of the glass, that is it's known as the real depth, that is 3 centimeter. So calculate the lateral displacement of the object if the refractive index, we are given the refractive index to be 1.5. So refractive index do not have units. So now let's first copy our given data. So the given data, the refractive index is 1.5. The real depth, of the glass that is of the blocks that is placed below a glass block, the object that is placed below a glass block, the real object thickness is 3.0 centimeter. So we are looking for the lateral displacement. Let's represent the lateral displacement as L. So let's denote it as L. So the formula is refractive index to be equal to real depth upon apparent depth. This is the formula. But this apparent depth also has formula. Apparent depth, the formula for the apparent depth is the real depth minus the lateral displacement that we are looking for here. That lateral displacement they ask us to calculate for. So the real depth minus the lateral displacement. That's the formula for the apparent depth. The formula for the refractive index is this, while the formula for the apparent depth is this. So when we are given the real depth, we are not given an apparent depth in this form of question. So we can write it like this. The refractive index will be equal to real depth. Let's denote the real depth as RD. The apparent depth will now be equal to the real depth minus the lateral displacement. So we can now input our value. We are given the refractive index to be 1.5 equal to 3 upon 3 minus L. So we are going to cross multiply here. We are going to cross multiply. So we are going to have 1.5 in bracket of 3 minus L to be equal 3. So we are going to multiply the bracket out. We are going to remove the bracket. So this 1.5 multiplied by 3 will be 4.5 minus 1.5 L. We're going to multiply it like this. Be equal 3. So here now we are going to collect the like times. So we are going to have 4.5 minus 3 to be equal 1.5 L, the unknown that we are looking for. So let's continue it here. So we are going to have 4.5 minus 3. So it's going to give us 1.5 to be equal to 1.5 L. So we are going to divide both sides by 1.5. So this one we cancel this one. So we bring the L here. L will be equal 1.5 divided by 1.5. So our lateral displacement is going to be 1 centimeter. So this is our final answer. This is what they asked us to find.